showcase of citrus with some friends. We went to a birthday party.
Yeah, it was Bennett's birthday.
It was our friend Bennett's birthday, and we went to showcase of citrus. And Adeline, what did we get to do for the first time ever?
Ride a monster.
We rode the monster trucks. How cool. I think they call it a swamp truck or something like that, right?
Yeah.
We'll have to look that up and find out the name of those big trucks. But they are school buses on monster truck chassis.
Yes.
I hope I'm saying the right words because I'm not a car person. But how cool is that?
So.
Yeah. So we got to play on the playground a little while first, right?
And then after the monster truck riding, we did some presents.
Yeah. All the cool birthday stuff, right?
And then after presents, me and Levi hula hooped.
You got to hula hoop? How fun. So tell me what you saw on the monster trucks, Adeline.
We saw zebras.
Oh! Zebras?
And a goat.
In Florida?
And
And
cows.
cows?
And a bull.
A bull, too? I didn't even see the bull. What did we drive past first? What was the first animal that you saw?
Zebra. Cow.
Kimmy says zebras. Cows? What about before that? The one you were just telling me, and I didn't get to see it.
The turkeys.
The turkeys. We saw turkeys on the side of the ride. It was so cool.
Cows.
We saw cows. Well, we saw something else before the cows, too, in the water. What did we see in the water?
Alligators.
Did we see some alligators?
Zebras.
Yep. Yep, we saw a goat. No, you know what? I think the bulls, you're thinking of the bulls, those were bison.
Bison.
Yeah, they're kind of like buffalo.
Bison. And a goat and a zebra.
Yeah, so cool. We got to ride that monster truck with all of our friends, and we drove through the oranges, right? And the oranges were blossoming, and we could smell the pretty orange blossoms. That was great. And then they have a whole nother animal pen that we didn't walk over to, right?
Yeah.
They have a little shop with some food and sauces and stuff like that to buy. And they have the other animals. They have one kangaroo. And they have like a mini horse. And some other animals too, right?
And, 2 ostriches.
2 ostriches. Or maybe an emu. An ostrich and an emu or something like that. So, lots of cool stuff to see.
Yes.
Is that you, babe? Yeah. Oh, don't hit the cow. Good toss. We're off-roading. There he goes. Walking out the road. Should we do it again soon, Adeline?
Yeah!
Let's do it again soon.